Hello. So we already had a problem where we converted the uh, degrees, minutes, seconds, or we call it DMS, and we converted DMS to DD or decimal degrees. So in this video, we will do it the other way around. So we will convert DD. So if you are given with a decimal degree, and then you want to have it in the form of degrees, minutes, seconds. So this is an example of decimal degree. As you can see in here, it's actually in degrees, but there's a decimal point over there. So it's 35.25833 degrees. So this is in the form of a decimal degree. Now, if you want it in the form of degree, minutes, seconds, so you need to convert this. So this is how you would convert this. It's actually quite easy. What you will do for step 1 to convert a decimal degree is we need to split it into a whole part and a decimal part. So the first part is the whole degree, the second part is the decimal degree. All right, so this is the whole part, 35. So in here, 35 degree is the whole part. The second part is the fractional one or the remainder degree. And the remainder is 25833, 0.25833 degrees. So the whole is 35 degrees. The fractional part is 0.25833 degrees. So both are still in degrees, but one is a whole, the other one is the decimal part. All right, so what we will do is we will convert the decimal first from degrees to minutes. Right? So we will not touch the 35 degrees. So we will work on the remainder. All right? So we will start with the decimal, which is 0.25833. What we will do with that, since that is actually in degree, we will convert that degrees into minutes. All right, so what do we do? So we will multiply it by 60, remember? So it's in degrees to minutes. So remember the conversion? How many minutes are there in the degree? So 1 degree is 60 minutes. So you use that conversion. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So we will convert this into, since that is a degree, so we will multiply it by 60, all right? So that fractional form or decimal times 60, now it is in minutes, 15.4998 minutes. So we now have 15.4998 minutes. All right, remember, we need to have degree, minutes, seconds. We already have the degree, now we have a minutes, but we don't have the seconds yet. So what we will do is we will again divide this into 2 parts. The whole part and the decimal part. The whole part is already in minutes. And the remainder is 0.4998 minutes. What we will do is we will work on the remainder and convert this into seconds. All right, so we will convert the remainder from minutes to seconds. So we take the remaining decimal part of the minutes and we will multiply it by 60. So remember the conversion again. So we will convert minutes to seconds. So how many seconds are there in a minute? So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So that is your conversion part. All right, so we will convert the 0.4998 minutes, and then we will multiply it with the conversion, which is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And what will happen is, that's our decimal, we multiply it by 60, and now we have converted it into seconds, 29.988 seconds. Or we could round it off to 30 seconds. So finally, we will combine all the whole parts, all right? So remember, we have 35, right? We never touched the 35 degree. And this was the whole part of the 15 minutes. And the last one is the whole part of the seconds. So we combined all the whole parts. The whole part of the degree, the whole part of the minutes, and the whole part of the seconds. And that is our answer. That's the final answer. We have converted uh, the decimal degree into DMS, or the degree minutes seconds. What do you think? Is it easy? All right. I hope to see you again in my next video. Okay, bye.